Hi guys, here's the screencast for Tuesday the 29th in creative writing. We started today with our author letter journal response. That was the last of the journal responses for portfolio number 2. It's located in this document right here. We worked then on a one-act play. We wanted to practice with a one-act play, and so that is located down here, the ping pong one-act play, where the directions are located here, and the design is that you were supposed to get together with one or two other individuals and write a one-act play. If you weren't here with us today, then you're kind of on your own on that one, so just write a brief one-ish page or so one-act play with characters and setting and some back and forth between the individuals. And the final thing that we did was we talked through pretty great length the final project assignment, which is located here. The rubric is on the back side of it. It's a 400-point assignment, which we will be starting into in earnest on Thursday. And it's really the last major assignment of the class. The next couple weeks will be devoted entirely to this. There's a plot triangle that you need to start attacking, but Thursday is designed for this purpose. So if you can just be thinking of an idea between now and then, that's great. And then beyond that, there's the final project exemplar, which we read this through in its entirety. There's an exposition, a rising action, climax, a denouement, and there's a letter that's a part of the denouement. So you can read that through if you want to get an example of what the story is supposed to be like. 4 parts, different genres, different voices, different perspectives, as much variety as possible, a couple artifacts to make it come to life. Sorry you couldn't join us. Have a great day.